Hi guys, let me just show you how you can now start automated outreach inside Autoblogging for all your new articles that you can publish in bulk. It's fairly simple. You'll find this option to add outreach prospects inside Autoblogging bulk generation. This option will cost you additional 15 credit because it does a lot of heavy scraping on the internet and it finds relevant places that your site can get backlinks from. It takes about 10 minutes of research and everything's automated. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to do is connect a new email because here, as you can see, the list is empty. So I will connect my Gmail account. I have enabled app passwords and it gave me an IMAP and SMTP password. Now next is I'll simply use Google's map setting, map.gmail.com, port 993 and smtp.gmail.com, port 587. That's it. And I'll do add account. As you can see, email account has been connected successfully. Now, if I refresh the bulk generation page, it should show, yeah, okay, it's here. So now I can use this email account to send emails, correct? Now we have two options when it comes to generating emails. First is personalized AI emails in which you can mention what you want, what are you willing to give them in exchange, and what's your background or your own writing style, and some brief description, even with the tone of voice. Now, all this is important because if you are a good copywriter and to increase conversions, copywriting is very much important. And we thought if we allowed you to play around with writing style and tone of voice, it might give you a better conversion rate. And if you think AI is, it's still not there yet, and if you are a pro copywriter, what you can do is you can use templated emails in which you can just use your own subject, email subject, along with four variables like your own URL, your title, receiver URL, your title. These are the four variables that you can use inside the email body follow-up sequences as well. So each email will have three follow-up sequences. The first one will be the main email, and the other three will be follow-up one, two, three. And all these emails will support HTML formatting so that you can design them, add your own signature if you want to. And you can also use these variables inside the main email or follow-up sequence. So let's start with one title, which will be about auto blogging so that you can see how it works. So first of all, I'll go ahead with 10 best AI article writing tools and 5 best AI SEO writing tools. Now I'll use auto blogging as the project name, auto blogging outreach trial English. That's it. It's fine. I'll use godlike mode so that I can mention auto blogging at the top. For example, Autoblogging.ai is the best AI article writing tool that generates SEO optimized articles and on mention it at the top. Now I will now add templated email, personalized AI emails. I think personalized AI emails, let's just give it a try. It will cost you additional 3 credits per article. Anyway, let's get to your offer. Okay, want what you're offering to prospects. So I want a link exchange or I want to pay for sponsored link placement for mentioner autoblogging.ai. And I think what we can offer is we offer link placement or link exchanges or maybe money link or brand placement or maybe money for accepting to autoblogging.ai to the list of AI article writers. Your background, I'm founder of Autoblogging.ai, which has been live since 2022. We have an SEO background. I've been automating SEO since 2016. Writing style, human tone with varied sentences. Keep it, yeah, I believe, yeah, friendly and convincing. Okay, so this will be our setting. And we'll just use again listicle outline because we are doing a 10 base article writing tools, 5 base SEO AI if you write tools, right? So that should be listicle. I'll use less AI word. Third person is fine. Length long is fine. I can add FAQ. I have not connected autoblogging.ai yet in this dashboard. I use it in my test panel. So I'll just leave it as verified task, for example. So this is an example. It is fine. So, okay. and then publish. So outreach prospects will only work if you auto post to WordPress and if you have publish status enabled. Now you can use internal linking for your news sites and future schedule the article. So that suppose if you do an article today in like 1 day's gap, the next day another article will be published and it will also start outreaching for that particular article. So that's one option. That's what I'm going to do with other site. The article going on. Let's just see how it works. Let me just generate article. So it should take about 10 to 15 minutes at least for each prospect to be generated. Meanwhile, that those articles are being generated, let me just do one view test. So I asked ChatGPT to create some article titles for nativebanners.com, which is a free tool by us, and which you can add these banners inside your site for sitemap monetization. It's an easier way to monetize using Amazon affiliate. If you're doing affiliate sites or if you have a niche based site, you can add such banners. So we added this in motor caravans and it's doing fairly well. Like for example, this site is doing quite great and the art should look like this. Let me just show you. Okay, yeah, we have a sidebar ad here, Amazon product. We also have particular thing like top 5 products and then in article banner. So this is a free tool and we have a blog section for this. I'm doing all these AI articles for it. It's with internal links and external links included. For example, this link is going to Shopify and our Amazon PPC strategy guide, strategies guide, and so on. So these are internal links. So all this automated and the articles have in future schedule inside Autoblogging. So what if I wanted to build some links to it? So I just asked ChatGPT to give me some article titles which can be written by AI and not having real life scenarios, but still a possible backlink magnet. So these are the 5 titles that we will be doing. A native banner, backlink test, and we'll do informative long that it or add a key, let's say I word, automatic banner, and I can add internal linking to this because it will work. I won't do future schedule right now, it's fine. Let's just see all the 5 articles go like right away. And I'll use publish, auto generate title and slug. I'm just using a simple category like shopping banner ads for now. And yeah, so this is the connected site. And then let's just go to outreach prospect. I think I should show you templated emails right now. Right. So these are the 3 emails, 4 emails. I think we should pick up the subject as well. Perfect. I'll just now create this file as well. So once you do the bulk generation, the article will be generated and you can find the articles in the history tab here. As you can see, like these are the 10 best article AI article writing tools. We just open it in new tab. So you can check this out normally. Like it's a normal article with external and internal links done, right? Now what has changed is like where are the bulk prospects, right? Since the articles are already live on the site, let's see how where you can find the outreach prospects. So go to the history tab here. Here you can find out the campaign name and based on that you can filter it out. Now there are 2 small bugs that I noticed. Let's just do 5 AI writing tools one. So total prospects that have been found are 53 on in for this particular article, 5 best AI writing tools. And as you can see, these are the prospects like Autoblogging.ai, obviously, because that we ask it to mention the our tool Autoblogging to be listed first. And then there were different competitors like Sonic, SEO Content Machine, and so on, whatever AI type, right? So it will definitely try to contact them as well. It's fine. Even if they get a mail, they will probably ignore it, and that's fine. It doesn't matter. But what if the brand that you're promoting, for example, Autoblogging.ai, they give you a link for a review article. So that should be a great link, right? Now, again, this particular article, AIbucket.io, why is Autoblogging.ai the best AI writing tool? And they might link to you and you can link back in exchange. There are a lot of different articles as well, like using AI to write your SEO blogs. Again, they can give you a mention and should be a great link. Now, there are more listicle articles related to AI tools in which you can actually get listed and it should do wonders for your blog or even your main brand. So, for example, 8 best AI SEO tools. It's on SEMrush, right? So you can go and contact them. Try Generalists, I think they are a competitor. So again, that's fine. Exploringtopics.com, 9 AI SEO tools. Jetpack.com, yes. So these are great blogs. So if you have automated campaign to reach out to them, it should work well. Now, this is the second article, which is 10 best AI articles. It got 83 emails with prospects. So all over, we got 136. Yeah, 130. So as you see, once you do bulk prospects, you will find this tab, automated outreach status, in which you can see how many are pending, how many have been sent, how many have failed, and total emails. So failed ones are usually bounce emails. Sometimes the scraper doesn't work really well. It's fine. So here you can see 26 emails have been sent from the main email, the first email. Follow-up sequences will be sent after 3 days. The first one, the second one will be sent after 7 days, and 10 days for a follow-up three. And if any reply is received, it will automatically pause the follow-up so that you do not spam the receiver. And here you can see their emails as well. Like for example, contact dot at autoblogging.ai. So this was the automated AI personalized email written by Autoblogging for that particular article. Two. So this was the personalized AI email which was generated. It's in HTML format. So yeah, this is how it works, the personalized AI email. Now the follow-up email, like I wanted to touch base regarding my previous message and on just popping, see if you had a chance, you consider offering my link exchange or something. And I hope it's been a while I reached out to you. Do let me know if there's any interesting partner. So these are the follow-up which are perfect as well. Now this one was weird. It's fine, right? Because the email did not exist, I believe, so it's too long. We will be improving this particular thing, like figuring out some bad emails, and we will start validating emails within Autoblogging itself. Now it has started failing because we have reached daily user sending limit because we did what, like 7 articles, and we have been sending so many emails. Anyway, so let's go back to the native banners one. So this was the article which is live. It got prospects, 203 prospects with emails, and this is the complete list. And this is your informative blog, so it should get obviously a lot of different um, candidates for possible backlink outreach. And that's what it has done. The automated outreaches. So with 7 articles, we got for 563 unique emails, and they all have been scheduled. Now this will be sent automatically. This was templated emails, so all these emails should look the same with just some variables change in the middle. Now, do by the way, let the list like this is how the emails are being sent. 1 hour ago, we created a new article. Yeah, let's just see if this works. For native banners, if someone asks me for money, I'll simply say like native banners is a free tool, so probably they will give a no follow link or something. And I just landed upon this. So hi, I'm Vaibhav Sharda. This was an AI email. It has some messed up HTML formatting. I'll fix that by the time the video comes out. And there are two bugs, basically this particular formatting issue, and the other bug is all these emails are shown from the entire campaign. All the emails are shown in each article, so it should basically show the email campaign of this particular article in this tab. I'll fix that. Coming back to this, so SourceForge has actually reached out like to this email, which was first of all badly formatted, and they actually reached out like, okay, yeah, you have Autoblogging has a page here and here and here, and you can claim the page for free and edit it however you want. They get 20 million visitors every month, and you can move up the rankings by getting user reviews or something like that. So it's fine. So thing is, at the end of the day, it worked, and they replied, and I got to know about this. This was received 12 minutes ago, and yeah, it works really well. Okay, for native advertising, please send a request with conditions and prices to particular thing and so on. It is also working well. So this was bulk outreach, and what you can do is you can connect multiple accounts, multiple Gmail accounts, or and we added this option inside the menu here. So you can connect your email account, like maybe five, and then split your bulk articles using different emails, and then you can do like maybe 4 or 5 articles every day, but 1 article per day with outreach done. You can create a site and let it stay idle for a year, like schedule the articles for the entire year. 300 articles should give you an year of content with automated outreach going on, and it should help you automate your entire SEO. So this is what the video was about. Let me know what you think about this, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. We have redesigned our site. Do check it out. And see you guys in the next video.